Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that your grill is not lighting, we're going to talk about the most common cause and hopefully show you how to fix it. Let's go outside and get started. All right, DIYers, outside now at the grill, and we have a Weber Q300, and unfortunately it's not lighting when we push the push button. This is your push button or igniter, and by pushing it, you'll hear that click, and inside here is your electrode. It actually goes inside your grill, and mixed with the gas, it should start the flame and heat up your grill. Unfortunately, it's not doing it for us. And if you're running into this, verify your gas is on. As you can see, you have an arrow for the closed position, and that is by turning it clockwise. And for the opposite, to open it, you will turn it counterclockwise. And this is your regulator and line that feeds the gas to the unit. And here is a better view underneath. As you can see, here's your push button, goes all the way to the electrode and inside. Now, in the event that you are pushing your push button and nothing's happening, there's no clicking sound, well, you need to replace this push button. However, in our case, you can hear that aggressive click, so our push button is still operable. I'm going to open this back up and remove this grate. Went ahead and removed that part, rested it on a paper towel, and on the top, paper towel in between that and the brick wall to alleviate any of that crud getting on the brick wall. Here's the inside of our grill, very dirty unfortunately, and right inside here is where the electrode, as you can see right there, makes contact with this portion right here and creates that spark. And here is the gas holes on your rail, and that is how it is supposed to light. Again, by that electrode creating that electrical charge or current between the electrode and this part right here, making the spark and igniting the gas. It happens within a second. The whole entire burner rail lights up. At that point, you're ready to cook whatever food you are cooking. However, what we're going to do is inspect that. It doesn't look like much corrosion on it. However, there is some corrosion on this little tab here, and that is what helps create that electrical connection. So we might grab a wire brush and clean that. Actually grabbed a brass brush. It is a little friendlier than a steel brush, and I'm just going to again clean that. We are going to remove this bolt here and lift this rail up to gain better access to the inner portion. However, prior to doing that, what I want to do is reposition the camera, and I'm going to push on the push button or igniter, and I want to see if there's any electrical spark at the electrode tip. And there is, see that? So that is telling me that our igniter and electrode are still working. Chances are this part is very corroded on the back side. We need to clean it. Next, I've grabbed a 3/8 socket, ratchet, and extension, and I'm going to loosen up this 3/8 bolt. I've removed the screw. It's way down on the paper towel, and from here we can now carefully shift the burner rail up, and we've got better access to that inner portion. And I do see quite a lot of buildup and grime on there, so I'm going to again just shift this to the side, get in there with the wire brush, clean the electrode tip as well as the connection right there that the electrode current shoots out to create that spark. And I get really good access by shifting it to the left, as you can see here. Again, that whole inner portion will be cleaned. After about 20 to 30 seconds of cleaning that, I'll come in here and try to zoom. Again, this tab right here is where the electrode current has to make contact. And I'll go ahead and push the igniter push button, and you will now see that electric current travel all the way across that little gap and make contact with that tab. See that? Before, it was unable to do that because we had so much grime buildup on that tab. Now it is clean, both the tab and the tip of the electrode. We're going to put everything back together and start the grill. I'm putting that 3/8 bolt back in to secure the gas rail, and we'll get to lighting this thing up. Everything is now put back together, and in our case, we've got some friendly lighting instructions right on the side here. Follow those, and we are going to ignite it. Gas is now on, and in our case we have a 60-second wait period shown right here, and we are going to turn the outer knob to the spark and press the igniter button. It has now been 60 seconds, and we are going to press the igniter button. And as you just saw, that lit the very first click, and I am now going to turn on the inner, and you can hear it and you can see it. Hopefully it is that easy for you, just cleaning that electrode and the entire tab that it makes that electrical connection with. From here, it's time to grill. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And yes, I know what you're talking about. We definitely need to clean our grill, and we will do so. Thanks again for watching. And that's after about 15 to 20 seconds. So we are, again, back up and running. Oh, that's warm.